So I've got the head off this Chrysler 75 horse and took the head off because I'm getting zero compression in that top cylinder. And I'm wondering if I have a stuck ring. If I grab this piston, there's a little bit of slop, a little bit of wiggle. Or if I grab this number 2 piston, no wiggle at all. It's very tight in the cylinder. This engine hadn't been run for a while. There's no physical damage on any of the components. The sleeve inside the cylinder looks fine. There's no grooves. But there's definitely a little bit of up, down, side to side play in this top cylinder. Where this middle cylinder is just nice and firm and tight. Bottom cylinder, pretty tight as well. The other thing with the top cylinder, I noticed it doesn't seem to be wiping the bottom really well. I put some WD-40 in there, and the middle cylinder seems to wipe it pretty clean. The top one seems to leave some liquid in the bottom. I'm thinking I have a stuck ring.